Welcome to a series on cryptocurrency technical analysis with Fibonacci techniques. This includes Fibonacci retracements, Fibonacci extensions, trend-based Fibonacci extensions, Fibonacci speed resistance fans, along with the Fibonacci time zone and trend-based Fibonacci time zone, plus Fibonacci circles, Fibonacci spirals, Fibonacci speed resistance arcs, and also Fibonacci wedges and Fibonacci channels. All these Fibonacci tools and techniques will be combined in various ways to form strategies to do cryptocurrency technical analysis. This will be done with plenty of real cryptocurrency chart examples that will explore the advantages and limitations of these methods and see conditions that are preferable and undesirable for various strategy combinations. Examples will be from various time ranges and time frames, so no matter when you watch this, knowledge from this series can generally be applicable regardless of which particular cryptocurrency charts you choose to do technical analysis on with Fibonacci methods. I also have material on my website and have made individual series that focus on each individual Fibonacci method mentioned earlier. And if that wasn't enough, I also have this same kind of series combining Fibonacci methods to do technical analysis in other markets, such as the stock market.